Matches wey Fulani Herdsmen when they carry for that place now, e pass 200. They don't block road. Nobody fit help us. Nobody, we are here. We are here since 6 o'clock. Nobody fit pass. And then they say no police fit even pass there. Police sef no fit talk. Police no fit pass there. Police no fit pass. Soldier no fit pass. We are stranded. We are here. 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 Since 6 o'clock we are here. Fulani Herdsmen don't kill people here. They don't kill villagers here now. We are in trouble. Nobody fit pass. Fulani Herdsmen they shoot here now. They kill. They don't care about 10 people now. They don't care about 10 people here now. They don't care about 10 people here now. Fulani Herdsmen don't kill 10 villagers here now. They don't kill 10 villagers here now. So now we are here since 6 o'clock. We no fit pass, no food. The scene is too much, my brother. It's too much. It's too much. We are here since 6 o'clock. No food, nothing.
No food. No
we need help. We need help. We need help.
Seriously.
We need help. May they help us. Look at people here now. Look at this. They just carry about 2 bodies pass here now. To mortuary. So we are in trouble here. We don't know what to do now. Nigeria church should come and help us. I never eat this money. I don't hungry. I want to after Ore, in emergency, we need help. Igbogi, emergency. We need help. Benin Rd road. After Okada at Igbogi village in Edo State. Men help us. So see everybody here. Since 6 o'clock. Fulani Herdsmen don't kill people here. They don't kill the villagers. Now, Fulani Herdsmen they still hang around. They inside bush. They say nobody fit pass. Fulani Herdsmen dey inside bush now. They say nobody should pass. So we no fit pass. Even soldier no fit pass. Police no fit pass. We are here. We need help. We need help. Come and help us. When you come and help us, since 6 o'clock we are here. No food, no water, no food, no water, no food. No water. No food. They should come and help us. I beg you. Help. We need help. Help. Children dey here. Small children they are here.
Hello?
They should help us. They should come and help us. United Nations, they should come and help us. So please, we are in war now. Silent war in Nigeria. Silent killing in Nigeria. They don't kill us, finish for Nigeria. This is silent.